Hello and welcome to Bookkeeping Life. My name is Steve Chrysler and I'm the owner here at Bookkeeping Life. And I just wanted to clear up a couple things, common questions that people have about the program. So not only do you get the things that are listed below, but you also get me. And I want to make it really clear that you're not just, you become a member and then I'm not around. I make sure that I'm available to you at all times. I'm always online. If I'm awake, I'm pretty much online. So you can email me anytime, steve@bookkeepinglife.com. If you have any questions, we can jump on a phone call as well. And I also, in the insider group, which you see below, as one of the things that you get, is we also do weekly question and answer sessions in Facebook. So Facebook live sessions where I do my best to answer your questions every week. So I want it to be really clear that I'm here for you to help you all along your path. And also our growing community is here as well. We're all here to help each other out, share our successes and our challenges with each other, and to move past those challenges together. So it's a community effort. And but how the program works, it's a subscription base. It's month to month. You can cancel anytime. You can stick around 2 months. You can stick around 6 months. You can stick around 1 month. It's up to you. As long as you're a member, you get full access to the members area, which is where everything is contained, all the videos, all the tutorials, all the training, access to the insider group. All of that is available to use for as long as you're a member. So that's how that works. And then another common question I have is how long does it take to get your business up and running? And so to be clear, this program is for people just starting out and also people that already have a business established but are trying to get new clients. So it really covers everything from starting up your business to, if you already have your business started, or once you get it started, it's to grow your practice. So it's really designed to get it up and running and grow your practice. So, and it varies for everybody. Everybody has a different amount of time that they can put into it, different effort level, different motivation. So it really depends. But if you're really motivated and you have some time to put into it, you can basically get your business up and running 1 to 2 weeks. I've seen it done. So, but for some people, if they're really busy, it takes them longer, and that's understandable. So, and then if you already have your practice up and running and you're just trying to get clients, you can get on that right away. So it's really helpful there. So anyways, you can email me if you have any questions, steve@bookkeepinglife.com. I'm here for you, and I'll always be here for you, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.